May mga nagtatanong nga sa akin about civil service exam. Isa nga itong eligibility requirement na pwede mong gamitin para mag-apply sa iba't ibang agency ng government. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang civil service exam. Ano ang mga requirements, kung kailan pwede mag-apply, date ng examination, at coverage para makatake ka ng civil service exam. Unahin natin ang ibig sabihin ng civil service exam at ano ba ang benefits pag meron ka nito. What is civil service exam? Civil service exam is also known as career service examination. It's conducted twice a year by Civil Service Commission to figure out whether or not an applicant is eligible to work in the government. So may dalawang klase ng civil service exam. Una ay sub-professional level. This level is aimed toward applicants eyeing first level of government position, which includes clerical and administrative works. The test has time limit of 2 hours and 40 minutes and features 165 items. Sunod naman is professional. Ito yung tinik ko. This type of exam, on the other hand, is designated to allow passers to apply for both first and second level government position. This include job opportunities for both clerical and managerial po. So sa akin, nagamit ko siya for promotion. So sino ang qualified na mag-take ng civil service? So, Filipino citizen, at least 18 years old, no criminal record, has no dismissal record from military or government services, has not taken the same level exam within the last 3 months before the exam date. Next topic naman, kailan pwede mag-apply at mag-take ng exam. So dito, sa website nila, csc.gov.ph, dalawang beses ka nga pwede mag-take ng civil service exam, professional sa professional level, sa isang taon. Base sa kanilang announcement, ang date ng examination ay March 3, 2024 at August 11, 2024. Ang problema nga lang, para sa March 3, 2024 na examination, tapos na ang application period dahil nagsimula ito noong November 20, 2023 hanggang January 3, 2024. Kaya kung sakaling balak mo mag-take ng civil service exam this year, dito ka sa pangalawang exam mag-focus sa August 11, 2024. Ang application period niya nga ay May 13, 2024 hanggang June 13, 2024. Kaya i-take notes mo itong mga date na to. Ngayon naman magbigay tayo ng mas detailed na coverage ng exam. Galing nga ito sa governmentph.com. Unahin natin yung professional level. Under dyan, numerical ability, basic operation, word problem. Analytical ability, word association, identifying assumption and conclusion. Logic, data interpretation. Verbal ability, grammar and correct usage, vocabulary, paragraph organization, and reading comprehension. Sa sub-professional level naman, sa numerical ability, basic operation and word problems din. Sa clerical ability, filing and spelling. Sa verbal ability naman, grammar and correct usage, vocabulary, paragraph organization, and reading comprehension. Ngayon naman, may mga topics or coverage na meron sa professional level at sub-professional level. Ito naman ay general information items on the following: Philippine Constitution, Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees or RA 6713, Peace and Human Rights Issues and Concepts, and Environment Management and Protection. Yan lang ang coverage ng professional level and sub-professional level. Yan, sana marami kayong natutunan. Kung may katanungan kayo, comment nyo lang sa comment section. Yun lang, maraming salamat.